Hi, everybody. Today's forecast right on track with the steady rain that we expected that developed this morning has been with us all afternoon. It's in the 5 o'clock hour now. In fact, this is the radar on the left at 5:15 this afternoon out of Portland. And you can see all the steady rain still back from Astoria up through Hoquiam. All of this is yet to come in. So we've got, if you look at when the front itself, the surface front comes in the 7 o'clock hour. So, I mean, looking at how much rain is still back to our west, it could be the 8 o'clock hour behind the front before we see the rain really break up. So we're going to be wet for a little while. And then overnight, some scattered showers behind the front, but not a lot. This is pretty good rain rates where you see the yellow, by the way. Remember, the forecast models were giving Portland about 4/10 to 45/100 of an inch, or at least a quarter, I thought. And it's possible with all this yet to come that we do pick up a half of an inch of rain, or at least 4/10. So we'll see. I will get you to the 7 day, but it features a warmer, dry Memorial Day. So the back end of the holiday forecast coming up still looks to be very, very nice indeed. Okay, these are the rain amounts just since 5 o'clock. So what has fallen today through 5 o'clock this afternoon? And remember, especially for Astoria, we probably still have another quarter of an inch of rain at least to come in. Astoria right now at 53/100 of an inch, more to come. Seattle 44/100, more to come. Kelso 2/10, more to come. Portland 28/100, more to come. Salem a little bit more to come, 5/100 of an inch. Part of the weather story on Monday was that this would be more rain from near Portland to the north up into Washington and less rain as you dropped south towards Salem. And then by the time you got down to Eugene, and especially just south of Eugene, maybe nothing. And so far, that has been the pattern. It's set up pretty good. I thought this was pretty interesting. So, with the rain that has fallen so far today, 0.28 inches in Portland at PDX, the Portland water year, remember, this is the annual total from October 1 through September 30th that coincides with the snowpack season, basically. Portland has now picked up 36.77 inches. And what's interesting is our normal water year ending September 30th is 36.91. So if we get another 15/100, 2/10 of an inch of rain yet, which we could through midnight tonight, we will equal to surpass what's expected for the entire water year ending September 30th. So that's good news, right? Our water surplus for the season right now is running just shy of 5 inches to date, if all that makes sense. Okay, I hope it does. All right, we'll get going in a second. Real quick, Momentous Wealth Podcast. Please check out their investment. I call it investment education, information that you need to know if you have 401k, mutual funds, or any other investments that rely on the stock market, or what you should do with your retirement money. All right, you can catch Todd's different podcasts on Apple Podcasts and listen on Spotify. Just search the Momentous Wealth Podcast. Again, his firm ranked number 52 out of the 500 best financial advisory firms in the entire country for 2024 by USA Today. That's Todd Pisarcik's Momentous Wealth Management Company. And again, his podcast right there. So check it out. All right. Real quick, a housekeeping note. I got control, thank goodness, of my hacked KGW Rod Hill Facebook page. So that one is back up. My Portland Weather Facebook page, I still don't have control, and it's still a mess. Don't go to it. But I hope to get some news on that tomorrow. So I'll keep you updated on that situation. All right, here's the radar. Basically, we just saw that we have all this yet coming in, and it's widespread up to Seattle. And then you can see there's some pretty good shots of rain out over the Blues and getting into the Idaho border as well. This visible true color right in here. See the cloud shield? And again, we know this cloud shield, if you follow my mouse, from right here all the way down in Central Oregon, we know this is all pretty much steady rain. So plenty more to come. You can see some drying up here with the cool air mass that will feed in overnight tonight. And then that cool air mass will feed at least a scattered threat during the day on Wednesday. Again, here's the front still offshore that's going to come in the 7 o'clock hour. Maybe not clear until about 8, so we'll see. And then here is the upper level low on the contours right here. This drops down over Washington, then clips Portland into Oregon tomorrow. That's our scattered shower threat tomorrow. See the ridging back here? That's a dry Thursday, but then here's a weakening system that will give us a reignited rain chance on Friday and Saturday. Not going to be as much as we picked up today, but there will be some age-able showers on Friday and on Saturday. So this is the way it looks on the National Blended Model future radar. This is 4 p.m. this afternoon. Let's see what it shows. So this is 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock, it shows that we're getting on the back edge of rain with a little break and then some more over at the coast. I think the reality is this could still be steady rain through like 8 o'clock or so tonight. Certainly overnight, now see how it's chunks of rain out east, some rain up in north central Washington over the Cascades, but otherwise pretty quiet really across western Oregon overnight tonight. Here's tomorrow morning. Here is tomorrow, still in the morning hours, some rain coming down to the Kelso Longview area. There's Chateau, Eclipse, Portland. Now we're getting into tomorrow early afternoon around 1 o'clock. Notice there's very little moisture on Wednesday at the coast. In fact, this could be a partly cloudy day with inland showers. And the weather modeling is keeping likely showers eastern Washington, eastern Oregon, at least over the Cascades at times, but not really giving much moisture once you hit I-5 and then back to the west at all. So it'll be interesting. I still feel like the models may be underplaying scattered shower activity tomorrow because the air mass is chilly. I mean, the snow level is going to be 4,000, 4,500 feet for at least a mix of snow in the air tomorrow. So if we get some sun breaks, I would assume that would fuel some scattered showers that would have spotty downpours and some hail. I think what I really want you to get out of this future radar is that the coast has a good chance to be mainly dry tomorrow, with the showers mostly inland and a heightened chance from I-5 east up into the Cascades and other eastern areas of our states. All right, let's take a look. This is the GFS American upper level 500 millibar, 18,000 foot flow. This is, well, let me just go and play this into early tomorrow morning. See, here's that cold low. Swings down across western Washington and then kind of moves toward Pendleton, really, or the Dalles early morning. So it just kind of clips by Portland. The colors are what they call vorticity. Vorticity is basically rotation on a horizontal plane, and it helps. It can create turbulence if you're flying, by the way, but it's also little bit impulses of energy in the upper flow pattern that can add to the shower threat. This is tomorrow afternoon at 4 p.m. Clearly, the bulk of the system is over in eastern Oregon, and remember, future radar did show rain out that direction, scattered shower threat lingering on the backside of it. Then we get into Thursday morning. Here's Thursday morning. That low is all the way over Wyoming. Here's the ridging. If you follow the contours, see how they kind of ridge? Here they are ridging, ridging, ridging. So that is what should be a dry Thursday for us. And then here's this next system, which is kind of elongated and thin, pretty weak, but nonetheless, I think it will develop some rain Friday. Here it is Friday during the day. And then the trough digs into a Saturday, so some scattered showers Saturday. But now here's Sunday. All of that now is all the way back over quickly, Montana, Wyoming, Idaho, into Colorado. Here's some kind of broad ridging, not terribly strong, but that's a dry Sunday. And then notice how this next low, let me take you to Memorial Day. This is Memorial Day Monday at 4 p.m. in the afternoon. All of the models show the exact same scenario. They show this next low holding off. So that's a dry southerly flow ahead of it. Looks to be mostly sunny. Maybe it's partly cloudy, but I do think it'll be dry. And temperatures will be up into the 70s, both Sunday and Monday. And then this could actually hold off still on Tuesday. Right now, I've got rain swinging out. See how now it's pushing inland? We see the colors. That's the energy around this cold upper level low in the trough. So that's a dry, if that's correct, that's a dry Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Rain developing on Wednesday. Showers continuing on Thursday with the trough. And now this is Friday, the last day of May, the 31st. That would be some dry ridging. Now we'll get into Saturday, June 1st, could be dry. Sunday, this is a week from this coming weekend, There's Sunday the 2nd, kind of hard to tell. But notice there's nothing really, I mean, there's some decent weather in here, but there's certainly no really hot stuff showing up. So overall, I would say that the models are showing fairly comfortable weather all the way into the first few days of June at this point. So we'll keep updating you on that. All right, these are the 5 o'clock numbers. Medford 75. It did turn out to be dry in southern Oregon, the southern third of Oregon today, which the models got right. That's exactly what they were showing. Tomorrow, a slight chance of showers. I bet you it's dry in Medford. 69. 76 Thursday, 78 Friday, 70 Saturday, 78 Sunday. Again, not overly hot. Some 80s on Memorial Day, 82 on Tuesday. Really nice weather in southern Oregon, south of basically the rain chances. Central Oregon, 54 degrees right now. Certainly, there will be showers in Central Oregon continuing overnight tonight. Certainly, there's a chance of scattered showers tomorrow, 56. Thursday warms up to 67. And then from there on, from Thursday on, it's all dry. That system that's coming in Friday and Saturday, not strong enough to produce a realistic chance of rain east of the Cascade. So that's all dry. Memorial Day, Monday in Bend, 78, 79 on Tuesday. Really nice weather. Wow. Okay. Here's Newport. We know we have a shower chance tomorrow at the coast, but it could be surprisingly dry. Thursday will be dry. Friday, Saturday, 2 days of showers. This is pretty much like Portland. And then Sunday, Monday, dry. I think Tuesday, well, a chance of rain at the coast Tuesday, I guess makes sense. Memorial Day, partly sunny, all dry and 60 degrees in Newport. Let's see here. What's Eugene showing? Yeah, 68 on Thursday, 69 Friday. Any showers will be really limited tomorrow. There's a shower chance on Saturday, Memorial Day. Everybody's dry, 74 degrees in Eugene. Okay. Did we go up to Seattle yet? Seattle, we have the showers Wednesday, dry Thursday. Like Portland, Friday, Saturday, rain chances. Memorial Day, dry, 68 degrees. Okay. Really nice weather. So Mount Hood, notice Timberline's 36 degrees. This is at the five, well, it's actually the current temperature of 552. Government Camp is raining and 44. Now, the snow level today was near to above 6,000 feet. 36 at Timberline was just rain and wet. So it was probably about 7,000 feet. Tomorrow, the snow level, I think, comes down to at least 5,000, which means I expect snow tomorrow morning to be showing up at Timberline. Could be a rain-snow mix, but the pavement will probably be wet with it staying above freezing at Government Camp tomorrow, but a wet day in the Cascades. Remember, the Cascades for travel purposes is going to be one of the wet bullseyes of Oregon tomorrow, and to a lesser extent up in Washington. All the passes look to be good. There will be rain out over the Blues tomorrow as well. There's Cabot Hill, 46 degrees on I-84. And here we wrap up of my Hazeldale Tire Pros 7-day forecast for Portland. Scattered showers tomorrow. We'll get some dry time. Again, hence scattered showers. Certainly the chance that there will be some spotty downpours of hail. Thursday is a dry day, partly cloudy to increasing clouds, 69. Friday, Saturday, we have the showers. You can make the case that Saturday is a chillier, wetter day overall than Friday. And then Sunday, I've got dry 72, Memorial Day dry 75, Tuesday dry 74. You can also make the case that it's more partly cloudy on Sunday and Monday. Right now, I've got mostly sunny both days, but I do believe both days will be dry. I do believe both days, including Memorial Day, will be up into the 70s. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I invite you to do so. That helps me out. Again, I'm meteorologist Rod Hill, coming to you from the Portland, Vancouver area. My weather site that I use where you can find this 7-day, which is my personal work, is portlandweather.com, and I will talk to you soon.